How to compress video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Video Compress application on your phone. This app will help you reduce video file sizes. On the main page, tap the large plus icon located at the top of the page. This will open your media library to select a video. Here, find and select the video you want to compress, and then tap Add. This will open up the Video Compress page of the application. On this screen, you can view the video's original size and its estimated size after compression. Now to decrease the file size further, drag it to the left on the Adjust Bitrate slider. Once you have set the desired size, tap Continue at the bottom right. Wait for the compression process to complete. After it finishes, tap the Finish button. Now, open the Photos application. Once you select the compressed video, tap on the Details icon below. Here, you can see the video's new smaller size. Following these steps, you can easily compress a video on your iPhone.